Hey there, explorers of the past. Welcome back to the channel where we just dig up old bones. We rewrite history using the most advanced science on the planet. Before we dive in, did you know you might carry up to 4% Neanderthal DNA in your body? Drop a comment below with your guess. For years, we believed Neanderthals were simply wiped out by Homo sapiens, supposedly smarter and more numerous. But is that really what happened? Wrong. Thanks to a revolution in paleogenetics, led by places like the Max Planck Institute for Evolutionary Anthropology in Germany and teams such as David Reich at Harvard, we now know the story is very different. What did scientists discover? Neanderthals didn't vanish, they were absorbed. A genetic fusion that lasted thousands of years. Researched by teams like Joshua S. at Princeton University mapped out waves of interbreeding. The first about 200,000 years ago, a second between 100,000 and 120,000 years ago, and the main boom between 50,000 and 60,000 years ago during the great Homo sapiens migration out of Africa. Today, anyone with non-African ancestry carries between 1% and 4% Neanderthal DNA. A little piece of prehistory inside every cell. Have you ever wondered what else we inherited from Neanderthals besides just their genes? First, Neanderthals had a small population estimate dropped from about 3,400 to just 2,400 fertile individuals. That made them vulnerable to waves of mixing with modern humans. Plus, dramatic climate change. Competition for resources, and even possible biological factors like blood type incompatibility. Just imagine, a simple blood difference might have changed the fate of our species. Let's leave the brutish caveman stereotype behind. At Chanadar in Iraq, possible signs of funerals with flowers suggest symbolic thinking. In La Chapelle-aux-Saints, France, the old man of La Chapelle survived thanks to group support, evidence of empathy, and complex cooperation. Kibara Cave in Israel showcased sophisticated tools, logistical planning, and care for hearths. Gorham's Cave in Gibraltar was one of their last refuges and reveals their adaptability. Extra fat. Did you know they may have used body pigments? Evidence found in Cueva de Ardale, Spain. How do scientists extract such ancient DNA? It all happens in ultra-clean labs, with advanced techniques. Silica-based extraction, PCR, and especially next-generation sequencing, NGS4, decoding entire genomes. Hybridization capture, which fishes for specific DNA fragments, has been a game changer. Imagine working in one of those labs. Would you have the nerve? What does all this mean for us, the Homo sapiens of the 21st century? Our story isn't a straight line, it's a web of exchanges, mixtures, and adaptations. Ancient DNA still has much to teach us, even about historic pandemics and our biological future. Did you enjoy this dive into our Neanderthal past? Then like, subscribe, share, and tell me what you think about this new history. Are you into this topic? Want a whole series on how ancient DNA helps unravel mysteries like the Black Death? Comment one series. Remember, the past is always closer than we imagine.